Okay, so you're way up there, I'm way down here. This laundry room is a disaster. So that's what we're gonna do today. After months of prepping and measuring and thinking about what I wanted to do, I finally decided how I want this to look. And I got a coupon to the Container Store, which is really my home away from home, so I took advantage of it. So my name is Leanne. Thank you for joining me here on my channel today. And if you want to see me try to do something with this mess, then stick around. Okay, so first things first, before I do anything else, I have to fold up the clothes in the dryer and put the ones from the washer in the dryer so that I can move on with disassembling some other things over here, and then we're going to categorize things. My new bins are in the garage, so I'll be going out there and wiping those down and then bringing them in so that we can Tetris my new organizational system together. Okay, where did we leave off? I've been sorting, bringing things down from the cabinet and then grouping them. And then I also had some things in other places, so I wanted to consolidate those. Specifically, light bulbs. I had light bulbs in like 3 different places and I could never find the one I was looking for. So now I've consolidated all those. Also, I went into the garage and wiped down the new containers that I just picked up. Now I haven't taken the stickers off because I want to make sure that it visually looks aesthetically pleasing the way I'm hoping that it will, so that when I open my laundry room doors every day, because generally I'm doing, well, maybe not laundry every day, but I'm coming in here because there are other supplies in here. I just want it to look neat and organized. I want to be able to find what I'm looking for. I've organized and categorized, and now I'm pushing things into place. And then I found an open spot, and I've been having trouble kind of organizing Betty and Lizzie's snacks because some bags are open and some bags aren't open. And then their Aunt Stephanie got them a giant bag of peanut butter gingerbread looking cookies for the holiday. So I was using those to fill up their little treat container that I've had. I got this from the Container Store maybe 4 years ago. So it's been pretty nice, and it has like a vacuum seal top. But I was organizing their treats when I noticed that I had a couple of extra spaces. So I found this extra little plastic sort of tote bag. I think what I'm going to do is put their treats that are unopened in here and put it up on the top shelf, and then keep their treats that are open in this empty space that I have right here. And again, we're going to live with it for a day or two, and I'm going to see how I like it before I take off all the stickers. So I'm going to wrap this up and clean up this recycling, and then I'll show you what I did. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick pan. Right under the cabinet shelves, I have 2 of those. They both came from Amazon. They were in a 2-pack. I have dryer sheets and my like fabric shaver in this one, and I have aluminum foil and Ziploc bags in this one. Left to right, I've got fabric softener, Shout, and then some detergent. This bin today was a find on sale at the Container Store, and it actually perfectly fits 6 rolls of paper towels. So I could not be more happy about how all of my paper towels are fitting in there. Of course, obviously trash bags, they have their own spot on the shelf, but they don't need to be inside of another container. This was a last minute adjustment. So these are open dog treats, and now I can pull it down and get out, a greenie or some dehydrated food or a treat. We'll see how I like this. I'm not sure how it's going to go, but if for some reason I change my mind, then that gives me another free spot in the laundry room. Next over, I have cloth dinner napkins. Up top, I have light bulbs, light bulbs, light bulbs. Yes, I had light bulbs in multiple places. I did not fully understand how many light bulbs I had. I could never find the ones I needed, and I have all different kinds of lights in this house. This one is water filters. So Brita and for the refrigerator, those are all my extra backup filters for water. Then this one is Swiffer. The next one over is a pair of outdoor shoes that I use for taking the dogs to the dog park or doing yard work, which I hate doing, but I have those shoes in here. Then I have backup supplies here. I have car cleaner, upholstery cleaner. I have a backup Shout. I have some backup Swiffers, and that's it in this container. These are old hand towels. I use those when I take the dogs in the car. I usually keep one in the car, and then I bring it in and wash it and take another one. So those are for like wiping off their paws or putting it in the seat or wiping them off. So that's what they are. They're just backup towels or hand towels. And then in this last minute adjustment, this is the tote that I found in my garage. And those are all of the treats and food that's unopened. So that's backup dog food, dog treats that is unopened. And that is where we are for today. It looks so much better. I didn't fully realize how many, they were out of this gray color. I got the last 4 today at the Container Store. They do have a clear, and they also have an extra large one that's a little bigger. And then they have medium and small. So theoretically, I could replace those white bins. But I think for now, I'm very happy with how this looks. You know, obviously, if I went to a bin like this, I could probably get 3 here instead of 2. But I think what I'm going to do, my next steps are going to be just to let this sit for a little bit and see how I like it. See if I can keep it clean. Pretty excited though. These are the things that I reach for the most. And everything now on the top shelf are things that I don't reach for as often. So my hope is that this configuration will work pretty well. By the time I circle back to this video, it'll probably be a couple of weeks, but I will let you know how things turned out. And you can also follow me on my Instagram, because I'm much more likely to post an intermittent change to this laundry room on my Instagram. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you sharing your time with me. I hope that you'll join me for my next video, and I can't wait to see you next time. I hope you have a great week. Bye for now.